guys, so today I'm going to teach you how to make a plastic bag squishy. So all you need is pillow stuffing, which is basically cotton. I'm going to show you. I'm pretty sure you already know. Yeah, look like this. Sorry for the blinding. Yeah. And now we're going to be testing how the squishy works. I'll tell you how to make this in the description. Sorry, I didn't video this. I didn't take a video of this. It's very squishy, as you can see. It's basically slow rising, so I can just squeeze it here, and then yeah, it's a lot like memory foam. Like that. It's very good. It's slow motion. It's true. It's pretty good for something with only cotton and a bag. So you just need a plastic bag. You can get one from the commissary. Kind of like after you unbag the bags, whatever. After you take the food out and everything, you can just use this. So all you need to do is just stuff the cotton in a ball and put it inside. And then you can use tape or string or yarn, whatever, to tape it down. It doesn't have to be bunny. And you can do it until you're satisfied with the shape or its squishiness. And there you have it. There's your squishy. Yes, I said squishy very bad. Anyways, make sure to subscribe if you like it. Please. Okay. Bye guys. Thanks for watching. And if you didn't understand, you can look in the description. Yeah, we coming up.